Here are 6 reasons why preventative care is important in retirement. I'm Sean McGuire with Bellis. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Retirement is a phase that offers us the opportunity to enjoy the fruits of our labor. But as we age, our bodies become more susceptible to health issues and conditions. So that's why prioritizing preventative care during your retirement is vital to staying ahead of potential health problems and ensuring that you're fulfilling and living a healthy lifestyle. So, we're going to get into 6 reasons why it is important to take that approach. And by the way, in the United States of America, we don't do as well as other countries as focusing on preventative care. And they've passed some laws to try and incentivize that. They've changed the Medicare program to cover more preventative care, but there's still a long ways to go. Number one, why preventative care is important is because of early detection and treatment. Regular screenings and checkups are essential in detecting health issues at their earliest stages. Many diseases, such as cancer, heart disease, and other things, progress silently without symptoms, and early detection through these screenings and blood tests can maybe identify more successful treatments and outcomes than if you were to wait until whatever that illness might have been advances and then all of a sudden we're playing defense. It also allows you to take immediate action, seek appropriate medical interventions, and really understand and avoid the extensive and really expensive treatments that come with advanced stage conditions. Number two, disease prevention. Preventive care can emphasize the importance of disease prevention before they occur. So, in the previous example, I was talking about kind of more catastrophic things like cancer. But one of the areas that healthcare costs are killing us as a nation are in the area of chronic diseases. And that would be things like diabetes, heart disease, COPD, things along those lines. And, those are important to try and prevent. And a lot of those things can be reversed with, for example, things like proper diet and exercise. Vaccinations are also important for preventive care, especially for retirees, because aging can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and diseases. So staying up on those influenza and pneumonia vaccines are important, and because it can help you prevent contractable illnesses. So prioritizing preventative care like vaccinations and meeting with your doctor to kind of do that blood work to see if you're on track with where you need to be is something that you should be considering. Next, managing chronic diseases. Like I said, chronic diseases are common around retirement, and the proper management is important for maintaining health and minimizing complications. We've done a previous video on chronic diseases and how they can affect you. And if you are suffering from a chronic disease, I would encourage you to try and educate yourself a little bit about that condition and talk with your doctor about any changes that you might be able to make that might be able to help reverse some of those symptoms if that is possible. Regular checkups and consultations also allow you to monitor your conditions. You can really gain a better understanding of your condition if you're doing those regular meetings. So this proactive approach will help you lead to a higher quality of life, stay independent, and help you continue to pursue the interests and passions that you want to do in retirement. Next, preventative care can promote healthy aging. It's essential for maximizing your well-being in retirement. So discussions with your professionals, again, is important because you need to be able to address those concerns. And they can offer that personalized advice on nutrition, exercise, stress management, and other areas of healthy aging that don't probably get enough attention as they should. This proactive approach allows you to live more independently, engage in those activities that you love, and maintain a sense of fulfillment. Another reason why preventive care is important is it has financial benefits. Investing in preventive care can lead to significant cost savings in the long run because, again, detecting health issues early through these screenings and checkups, you can avoid those really expensive medical procedures, drugs, surgery, and maybe even long-term care, which is the number one cost in retirement. On the other hand, preventive care allows for early intervention. It's less invasive, less expensive, and more effective. So you can weigh that on one hand or the other. It also can help you avoid things like missed work days. Maybe you're not working full-time, but part-time. But one of the things that people do not realize is that chronic disease in general across the whole United States is a huge cost for us and to our economy. And one of the biggest costs to our whole economy is the impact of lost productivity, because people just aren't as productive when they're not feeling well. And so we want to make sure that you're not facing those challenges. So that's why you want to prioritize preventative care and be able to maximize that financial burden that could come with the expensive treatments and rehabilitations. You want to maximize preventative care to try and avoid that. Finally, peace of mind. Engaging in preventive care provides you that peace of mind for you and your family. If you kind of know what's going on, it's much better than living in uncertainty. I think uncertainty is one of the worst things and most stressful things we all face. Just speaking from personal experience, I don't know if you feel the same way, but I'm sure that it is possible. So these regular checkups, screenings, and consultations with your provider can offer you that reassurance that you're staying on top of your health and taking the necessary steps to detect these measures early. And I know a lot of guys in particular don't like going to the doctor, but as you age, it's important that you go and you listen very closely to what they have to say. This proactive approach will eventually reduce your stress and anxiety related to healthcare uncertainties, and it'll allow you to focus on enjoying your time with your family. So, with peace of mind, retirees can fully embrace their lifestyle, pursue happiness, travel, spend time with loved ones, and make the most of their time together with their families. So, in conclusion, retirement is important, obviously, but what's most important is prioritizing preventive care. It's crucial for staying ahead of health issues, enjoying a higher quality of life, because early detection and treatment, disease prevention, and effective management of chronic conditions, promotion of healthy aging can offer you a lot of financial benefits and peace of mind. So make sure to actively pay attention to what your doctor's saying and prioritize those checkups. Don't just skate through them like it's something, just another thing that you've got to do during your day. Try and pay attention and try and bring someone with you to be able to take notes. So there were the 6 reasons why preventive care is important in retirement. We'll see you on the next video.